up a question if you have from this. So this new education policy is based on a concept which talks about our students to be developed for 21st century. And they should have all the skills which they need in their future. So they are talking about four skills. That is called four C's. So four C's of 21st century. Anybody have any idea? You can Google it and tell me. I don't mind it. 4C, C for capital. So 4 C's of 21st century skills. Anybody? 4 C's of 21st century skill, which our new education policy 2020 wants for all our students. Yes,
Communication,
yeah, communication,
Creativity.
collaboration,
creativity,
thinking,
critical thinking.
yeah, and creativity.
Collaboration.
Creativity.
Creativity.
Can anybody write in the chat box all the four? Communication, creativity, or critical thinking, and the fourth one you missed. Yes, Harshit. Collaboration. Yes, Shivi. So these are four C's of 21st century. And when we wanted you because we have just 2 years with you. हमारे पास आपके सिर्फ 11th और 12th हैं कि हम आपको 21st century ready कर पाएं. Or if I talk about other students in our school, so we have all the different students at different areas. So this book club or this activity club or this art and craft club or vocational club, they are all generated from this new education policy. So our idea, we found out कि हमारे पास सिर्फ 2 साल है क्लास 11th वालों को ट्रेन करने के लिए कि वो इक्विप हो जाए 21st century स्किल से. So to give you critical thinking, we invited you to participate in different clubs so that you are not on the receiving end, you are on the giving end. And whatever you have learned, these skills are already there with you. I don't have to impart it. It is already there with you, students. I'm talking to all the 11th and 12th and 9th and 10th students. So they all are there with you. And we wanted you people to actually use that skill. Because I know that Harshit, Niharika, Tamanna, Isha, they are having all the four skills with them. And how are they going to know about it? So you should know about those skills that has come from this club where you are going to participate as the giver leader. And I came to know that few of us are not okay participating in the club. So okay, then you don't participate in the club in the form of leader, then participate in the club as a receiver. And for receiving you have just 2 years. So if this new education policy is saying 1C, that is collaboration. When I'm talking about collaboration, and two of you are part of book club, so both of you have to collaborate to make your book club a success. And what is the theme of book club? To develop literacy. And this literacy development comes in new education policy for all the classes. So our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, is looking forward to 99% literacy by 2025. So when he's talking about that, we all have to work on numeracy, literacy, and developing these skills. Let's talk about communication. So if you are on a leadership role and you are communicating with around, let's say, 30 people. So Isha, you are part of which club?
Book club.
Okay. And who is your co-partner?
Harshit.
Okay, that's nice. So
Me.
Harshit
There.
and Isha together, they have to collaborate and they have to communicate in such a way that the entire 30 students who are part of that book club, they are developing in their reading skills, in their writing skills, uh, in their book club. So that is why instead of Isha and Harshit being part of the club, they are leading the club. So when you become a leader, if you remember, my first class started with being a leader. So leader is somebody who is having collaboration, who has skill of collaborating, जो सबको साथ में लेके चलता है. So जितने भी लीडर्स का उस दिन मैंने आपको फोटो दिखाया, चाहे वो एप्पल का सीईओ हो, चाहे वो महात्मा गांधी हो, चाहे वो मार्टिन लूथर किंग हो, चाहे वो आपके नेल्सन मंडेला हो, all these people have this capacity of collaborating, which Narendra ji wanted for all of you. So that is why you are the leader in the club. Second, communication. महात्मा गांधी जी के एक लेटर में, दैट इज नॉन वायलेंस, ने हमें आजादी दिला दी बिना लड़ाई किए. So his power of communication was so much. Then when he stand and he asked people to do boycott, they did boycott. When he asked people to be Swadeshi, people uh, went into being Indian, and they decided not to wear foreign clothes and all that, and started making cotton. वो चरखा चलाने लगे लोग उनके कहने से. So this is the power of a leader, when you say something and it happens. Then third is critical thinking. Right now we need people, those who are not tuned as robots, those who have power to think differently. People, those who can, students, teachers, those who can think differently, think critical, they can be a huge asset to company or to country. So if you, I don't know how many of you know, India is superpower in 2030. And how, why are we saying that? Because हमारे इंडिया में इस समय सबसे ज्यादा यूथ पॉपुलेशन है. आप जैसे बच्चे 11th 12th ग्रेजुएशन में का पॉपुलेशन हमारे पास ज्यादा है. सो इन पॉपुलेशन को इन 4C से अगर ट्रेन कर दिया, तो दुनिया की कोई भी शक्ति नहीं रोक सकती कि दुनिया इंडिया वर्ल्ड पावर ना बने. एंड द फोर्थ, क्रिएटिविटी. क्रिएटिविटी एक बहुत अच्छा गुण है जो आपको किसी भी एरिया में सबसे अलग करता है. वेदर यू आर अ कुक, वेदर यू आर अ आर्किटेक्ट, you are a businessman, you are a social media person, you are a designer, you are a dancer, singer. This one activity or this one skill, which is called creativity, will give you all the inputs to be a successful person next year, or maybe in your life. So, can you give me one idea or one item or one ad which you find very creative? Or something, one, any product which you find very creative, जो different है, creative है. Any example if you have in mind right now? Yeah, if you know somebody in your life who is very creative. Anybody? I need your input. Your mom? Okay. Yes, anybody? And why did you say Shivi? Where do you find your mom creative?
Ma'am, she is very creative in making cooking.
Okay. And is she doing experiments?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. So if somebody is creative, he will not be afraid of doing experiments. And he will try to give you something new, because a creative person always looks forward to something new. So when you look forward to something new, these are all abilities which Narendra ji wanted our students to have. And that is why he is emphasizing on you. And this book club, activity club, these are all part of it. So iska outcome yahi hai. Book club se we wanted all the students to be a good reader. And for being a good reader, what do you want, Isha or Harshit? For being a good reader, what do you want? What you should have? एक अच्छा रीडर बनने के लिए क्या क्वालिटी चाहिए आपको?
Pronunciation skills.
कुछ नहीं चाहिए, किताब चाहिए ना. और क्या चाहिए? पढ़ने, एक अच्छा रीडर बनने के लिए क्या चाहिए? किताब हाथ में दे दूं और बोलूं पढ़ो, तो पढ़ोगे ना उसको.
Yes, ma'am.
किताब अच्छी नहीं है तो वापस
Yes,
रख दो,
ma'am.
दूसरी किताब लोगे. सो अभी हम लोग जब बुक क्लब में हैं, तो वी विल जस्ट हैव टू मोटिवेट पीपल टू रीड, Now, if you see, I present my screen. I have a collection of books with me, and online books. I have a library also with me. So if you see, these are the books I have in the online mode. Are you able to see my screen, Harshit?
Yes, ma'am.
So these are ebooks. I don't have yet counted how many of them are there. So I have this Robin Sharma. Do you know Robin Sharma, Isha Jain?
No, ma'am.
No. My favorite author. I'll show you the book. Anybody know about the book Alchemist?
No,
Yes.
ma'am.
Books. Okay. Now, who have read the book Secret?
Ma'am, me.
Oh, I know. Okay. The road less traveled. This is Bible. This is Robin Sharma's New York bestseller, The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. One of the best book you should read. Now, this is a cookbook. This is Art of Happiness by Dalai Lama. So these are all books. The Robin Sharma, the 5 a.m. Club. So these are all different books, and it will give you what you all want in your life. And that is what our Prime Minister wanted for you. This is Gandhiji's autobiography. And this book talks about Islam, about Hinduism, about Buddhism. Then there are books for English grammar, class management, recipes, best food recipes, 365 steps to self confidence, how you can inculcate self confidence in yourself. And these are for Harshit, 1000 solved problems in modern physics. You might get it in your any JE exams.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I don't know. I just want to execute the new education policy the way it is. And I got some of you people were not okay with. Let me stop the recording first. So thank you.